To break the bonds of Earth and touch the stars, humanity engineers machines of unimaginable force. Before the fiery roar and the ascent to orbit, the heart of that journey must be forged. This is the unseen assembly of a modern rocket engine. Every rocket engine begins with its crucible of power. First, we meticulously construct the combustion chamber. Into this high-strength, heat-resistant vessel, we precisely install the injector plate. Thousands of tiny holes, each designed to perfectly mix fuel and oxidizer for optimal combustion. Every rocket engine begins with its crucible of power. First, we meticulously construct the combustion chamber. Into this high-strength, heat-resistant vessel, we precisely install the injector plate. Thousands of tiny holes, each designed to perfectly mix fuel and oxidizer for optimal combustion. Next, we integrate the engine's beating heart, the turbopumps. These powerful high-speed machines are responsible for forcing massive volumes of fuel and oxidizer into the combustion chamber at incredible pressures. They are a marvel of compact, rotational power. Now for the engine's voice. The colossal nozzle extension, often built from advanced, regeneratively cooled alloys, is precisely mated to the combustion chamber. This is where the exhaust gases expand, generating the colossal thrust needed for liftoff. With the major components in place, we route the lifelines. The intricate network of propellant lines, valves, and sensors are installed. This system manages the precise flow, pressure, and temperature of the volatile propellants, ensuring flawless operation. The final details. The external insulation and shielding are applied. The engine is then moved to the test stand for its ultimate trial. With a thunderous roar, it ignites, unleashing unimaginable power, a testament to human ingenuity reaching for the stars. The assembly is complete. The countdown begins. We've built the power to escape Earth. If you want to see more technology that powers our world, like and subscribe for more unseen assembly videos.